of students who collaborate to create the products in their project-based learning activities. And I won the second prize in Innovative Teachers contest in 2016. And from that moment, I know that with internet, my students can learn more. So this is the photo. I really love these photos that an outstanding educator is the one who can self-learning to upgrade herself, and then can support the students' skill by personalized learning, and then supports our educators by learning by sharing like the activities we are having now. And I was featured in some national television about using Sky in the classroom. I have the sharing activities, and this is a picture. Yeah, that way.